Good morning, dear children. Welcome to our YouTube channel Academia Ambala. Today we are going to start our lesson number 13, the story of a wheel. Learning objectives. At the end of this chapter, you would be able to understand how the wheel was invented and the uses of a wheel. Before we proceed further, identify the following. Look at this picture carefully, children. What you can see? Yes, all these are the modes of transport. You must have seen a bus moving on the road and a car being driven on the road. What is the common feature of all these modes of transport? Can you guess what is common in all of these? Yes, children. It is an object called as a wheel on which all these vehicles run. Have you ever wondered if there was no wheel, how would you travel? It is the great invention of the wheel due to which we are able to move much faster than in older times. Wheel is very important for us, children. We use it in most machines in our life. Like bicycles, cars, buses, watches, fans, they all have wheels fitted in them. Do you know how the wheel was invented? Now, let me tell you the history of the invention of the wheel. Thousands of years ago, early man used to live in jungles. He walked from place to place in search of food and shelter. He used to kill animals for food and used to carry them on long distances on his back. They carried what they needed on their own backs. When he learned to tame animals like horses, donkeys, and cows, he started to use them to carry heavy loads. One day, it is believed that he saw a log of wood rolling down a hill. He got very interested that how log of wood rolling down. It could move even with a small push. Another day, an animal was kept on a log of wood, and slowly as the log of wood moved, the animal was displaced from its position. Early man sliced a trunk, made holes, and used them as the first wheel. He connected two round trunks with a stick on which he put a cart. He was now able to carry things more easily. So, the invention of wheel was probably one of the most useful invention in early times. In early times, the early man saw a log rolling down the slope, and then they got an idea that this wheel can be used in modes of transport or to travel in an easy way. The invention of wheel was done by the early humans of India in Mohenjo-daro. Potter's wheel. Potter uses wheel to make most of his pottery. The potter's wheel consists of a round, flat, wooden or metal surface shapes clay on it. You might have purchased some diyas on Diwalis. They are made up of clay and it is made by the potter on its wheel. The uses of wheel. The invention of wheel had a great effect on humans. Wheel was improved upon as time passed. Today, vehicles can be fitted with different types and sizes of wheel made of wood, steel and rubber. It is the great invention that changed the history. Recapitulation. Let us recapitulate what we have learned today. A wheel is the most important invention for man. Before this invention, man had to walk from place to place and carry his own food. Wheels are used in all kinds of machines, from the small watch to the biggest machine in the factory. And the person who makes dishes, diyas, plates, and other objects from the clay on a special wheel is called a potter. Let me take you to the toy shop. Here, Mohan have some vehicles and their wheels. Now, you need to match the correct vehicle with its wheels. Are you ready for it? Now do it yourself, children. This is an activity for you. Thank you.